Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What we're going to be doing in today's lesson is we're going to be updating our XREF video. So you're going to be getting a brand new look at how to import and use XREFs in AutoCAD. All right, so first things first, what's an XREF? And then we're going to get right into it. Just give me 5 seconds. So what's an XREF? External reference. What can I XREF? Images, PDFs, and other DWG files, and also DWF files, which are backup DWG files. Okay, now that that's done, what I want you guys to do is I want you to activate a command before we get into XREFs. Go down to your command bar, type in DYNMODE, so DYNMODE, press enter, and if your value is not 3, change it to 3. So just type in 3, press enter, and then you're going to have that active. And what that's going to do is going to allow you to just type commands. So you don't have to go to the command bar. You don't have to click on circles or anything. You can just go and start typing the commands that you want. Once that's done, type in XREF. This is going to bring up the XREF menu here. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to import our XREF. So you can see here we have our reference and we have our drawing. It's going to list all the other drawings that are XREF. So drawing 1 is the drawing I'm in now. So that's going to be the drawing that you have as well. It could be named something different. It's going to show you the status, then the type. So this is current. If you come here again, we're going to see we have access to our drawings here. So I'm actually going to go back a minute. So you can see here, if you click the little drop-down area, you can attach your DWG, image, DWF, DNG, and PDF files. Whichever one you need to XREF, click what you need. Or you can just click on the main thing like I did, and that's going to open up another dialog box. And that's going to allow you to go through your computer, and it's going to allow you to select which file you need. And then you can also refresh your drawing as well, and that's just going to refresh your drawing. So we're going to click that. I'm going to click on my thing there. That's just the main one. I'm going to open this drawing here. So this drawing here is from a student of mine. He brought it to me a few weeks ago, and it's a really nice drawing, and it's a great one to use for XREF because it has XREFs on XREFs. So I'm going to show you what happens when that happens, and so you don't get confused or anything. So what you can see here is once you select that, you select your item and everything, you can go through here and you can adjust the settings. You can see here we have our standard steel truss bridge, which is what this is. You can also browse, go select a different one. And we're just going to click relative path. We're going to keep everything where we need it. I'm going to specify the insertion point on screen. You don't have to do that. You can tell it exactly where to go. If you know exactly where it needs to go, put in your X, Y, and Z coordinates. And then for your units and everything, it's going to give you your unit, and it's going to give you a scale factor as well. And that's going to be based on what the XREF is. So in that case, what we're going to do is we're going to click OK if you want to do that. And then if we click show details, it's going to show us the details of where it is and everything. So once that's done, we're just going to click OK, and then we're going to be able to place our XREF. So if you select an insertion point like I am, you're going to have to select where you want it to go. So I'm just going to click there. And then you might get this pop up if you have other external references attached to that external reference. You're going to see here there's a whole whack of stuff that's missing from here. It's going to have graphics and everything. In this case, a lot of times you can just ignore it. So I'm just going to say do not show proxy graphics, click OK, and it's going to be there. You can see that the XREF is grayed out. If I was to draw a line right now, it's relatively clear and I can see it, whereas the XREF is kind of shaded in. This is to tell you what an XREF is and what an XREF is not. So guys, hopefully this video is helpful. Take care. And if you're interested in actually learning how to use XREFs and do other floor plans, I've got a video actually that should be popping up on your screen right now that's going to take you to floor plans. So guys, take care and we'll see you in the next one.